So, ang gagawin namin ngayon is papakainin namin sila dito sa riverside. Pero bago namin sila papakainin ng mas marami is we're going to bath them. Dito namin sila papaliguan sa river. So guys, let's go ahead and get our first go. So guys, ang una nating papaliguan ngayon ay si Marmar. Let's see if she loves to bath here. Our uncle is bathing his horse as well. Sa palagay nyo, nagustuhan kaya ni Marmar ang unang araw na pagligo niya dito sa river? Please give me an honest comment down below so I can give you a special mega shout out next time. If you think Marmar loves the bathing in the river, what about the other goats? Magugustuhan din kaya nila? Let's keep on watching para malaman natin ang iba't ibang reaksyon ng mga kambing na ito. We really need to let Whitney stay there for a while kasi takot na takot pa siyang mabasa. So after bathing, Marmar is now enjoying the waves beside the river. Bulawan! Gold! What do you think about Whitney? Is she enjoying the bath here in the river? Daisy is frightened to get soaked, so that's why sister must help her so that we can really bath her today. She was scared at the beginning, but now she is really behaving well. Maybe it's because it's colder here in the river. Naday diha?
Sabi nga.
Gakurog. Gakurog. Ay, sige na, oh. Ngano man? Ngano man? Gikatawan ka? Gitawan ka. It's time to bath Flossy. She's not so scared like Daisy.
Gusto ko nabihan.
Subscribe!
Kapati ah!
Hindi ko trawang good. Her collection of stones. Sino ba sa inyo ang mahilig ng mga stones sa river at saka mahilig magsulat dito sa mga bato? Spread the love! So guys, ngayon ay uuwi na kami. Dala ang mga kambing.